Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome back to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today's pick a card reading is to receive important messages from your angels and spirit guides. Three piles we have for you today. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. Pause the video if you would like to and meditate upon the cards and select a pile that you are intuitively drawn towards. Once you have selected the pile, please go down to the timestamps mentioned in the description section below to go to the piles. So without any further ado, let's begin with the readings. So all those who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your reading. So the first set of cards we have for you, pile number 1, are Trust, the Creator, Conditioning, Politics, and Totality. So pile number 1, the angels and spirit guides are asking you to trust them. Trust the universe, trust the angels, spirit guides, and trust the Creator, because once you trust them and have faith in them, things will start moving smoothly for you. With this conditioning card, I can see that there is lots of things that is happening around you, and you have been entrapped in a mindset that you have been conditioned over a long period of time. So with this conditioning card, the angel spirit guides are asking you to take your stand and know that the universe, angels are always there with you. The Creator has its own plans for you. So regardless of what other people will say and do to you and what you think about yourself, it is the divine that takes charge of your life and would make things possible for you. With the politics card over here, I see that some people who are two-faced are a part of your life, and they are planning against you. So with the politics card, the angels and spirit guides are asking you to pay special attention to people when they talk to you and what they say behind your back, because there are ample things that you do not know about these people, and once you pay special attention, definitely you will know about it. With the totality card over here, the angels are asking you to trust and also take that leap of faith that is required for you. A strong message that I am receiving for you, pile number 1, is that trusting the universe, the divine, the angels, and your spirit guides is going to take you long places. It will not only protect you against your foes and against the people who do not wish to see you succeed, but it will also help you reach beautiful heights and dreams. There are many people who are trying to destroy you or who are trying to badmouth you and trying to make you down. So it is an important step for you to stay by your side, stay strong, and only then you can destroy their evil plans. Let's begin with your oracle cards. So the first card we have is from Archangel Azrael, which says hello from heaven, and the next card is patience. So with these two cards, I feel again there is a strong message from Creator that is coming to you, pile number 1. They are asking you to call upon them and ask for their help and assistance. Have patience that things are slowly but smoothly flowing for your highest good. Only when you trust the divine, trust the Creator, trust your angels and spirit guides, things will start moving and shifting for you. Along with that, you need to have patience that everything is working as per divine plan and divine guidance and at divine timing. So if you need your flower to blossom, you need to first plant the tree, plant the seeds, and do the required gardening steps for flower to bloom. Likewise in your life, when you want something, and when you need to realize and blossom some things, you need to start with the smallest step and then see for yourself how things start blooming around you. The next card we have is from Archangel Raphael, which says exercise is the key. So along with this card, Archangel Raphael is asking you to take care of your body and exercise, do some physical activity for energy to flow and for you to be in a better state of health so that you can enjoy the blessings that are coming your way. The next two cards we have are from Archangel Michael. Let go of fear and believe and trust. So pile number 1, I truly believe that the angels are asking you to let go of your fear, believe and trust. Hello from heaven, trust creator, totality. All these cards are signifying that you need to really believe and trust the universe, angels, your guardian angels, spirit guides, and the creator, or whatever source you believe in, that things are really going to happen smoothly, steadily, and quickly for you. Though there have been a delay right now in manifesting those desires to you, or in those desires to come into your reality, but remember when things remember things have their divine timing to reach you, and when all the conditions are fulfilled, only then you can enjoy the pleasures and the gift that the universe gives you. So trust and have faith in the divine, and trust the angels that things will happen for you. Meditate, exercise, let go of your fears, and stand your ground. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Thank you. To book your personal readings, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box below. Bye. So all those who have selected pile number 2, let's begin with your reading. The first cards we have for you are the Lovers, wow, Source, Traveling, and New Vision. Wow. Pile number 2, so we have the Ace of Wands, which is the Source card, the Traveling card, Eight of Wands, two major arcanas, the Lover and New Vision. So I feel a lot of you are trying to make some new things happen in their life. You are working on something which is very close to your heart, and the universe is asking you to maintain that vision so that you can go from year to year and achieve your dreams. Also, there is a lot of travel indicated for you, pile number 2, and the universe is asking you to travel safely and smoothly. Make your plans foolproof and trust that things will happen. There is no need to worry about anything. With the Lovers card, I see some of you who are waiting for their life partners would soon meet them. The angels and spirit guides are asking you to pay special attention to your dreams and intuitions, through which they are sending you divinely guided messages with regards to your life partner. Also, with the New Vision and the Source card, I feel that uh, something that is close to your heart, a new project, a new venture, is going to definitely be a huge success. You need to hold that vision and you need to continue working towards it. If there is something that you are currently working on and it is not reaching the type of success that you would like to have, please don't lose your hope. Remember that angels, archangels, spirit guides are with you. They are working behind the scenes to make things happen for you and to make this venture successful. But you need to continue working on it, continue with your hard work so that success is surely yours. The next card we have for pile number 2 is from Archangel Raphael, which says Home Help. Dear God and Archangel, thank you for giving me the courage to ask for and accept help from you, the angels and others in matters regarding my family and home. So with regards to this card, Archangel Raphael is asking you to call upon him, ask for his help and assistance with regards to any help that you require, especially with regards to your home, your parents, spouses and siblings, including your children and your pets, because Archangel Raphael is there to help you all. However, you need to call upon him and ask for his help, because without your free will, Archangel Raphael or any other archangels or angels would not be able to help you unless it is a life threatening situation. So feel free to call upon him and ask for his help and assistance with regards to any matters regarding home. Also, I feel that some of you who have pets could be experiencing some difficulties. So Archangel Raphael is also ready to help you and your pets, and also protect your pets from any negativity or lower energies. The next card we have is from Archangel Zophiel, which says Outdoors, and Archangel Zadkiel, which says Compassion. With these two cards, Home Help and Outdoors, I feel that majority of you need to spend some time outside. Go outside even for 10 minutes in a day and enjoy the nature. Unwind yourself with the help of flowers and gardens around you. Spending time in nature will help you lift your moods and help you relax and be closer and connected to nature. With this card, Compassion from Archangel Zadkiel, which says soften your heart with respect to the situation and all the people involved, including yourself. I feel this is a strong message from archangels, guardian angels, and especially Archangel Zadkiel with regards to your career or with regards to any venture that you are working right now, which says that you need to have compassion first for yourself. Though you might not be reaching success or having the success that you want right now, but have compassion and faith in yourself, in the work that you are doing, so that you are able to succeed with your hard work and determination. Remember, everything begins with a single idea. So for results to see its light, you need to continue working hard. Also know that angels, archangels, spirit guides and the divine source are working behind the scenes to help you be successful and to help you manifest your dreams. So please continue working hard on it and do not give up yet. The next card we have from Archangel Michael are the person you are asking about is trustworthy, and use your imagination and you will see the answers. So this card really talks about the venture that I was just talking about. It says you need to use your imagination and see the result. Use visualization techniques to see how successful you can become, and also use affirmation and other meditation techniques to become successful. With this card over here, Archangel Michael is telling you that the person you are inquiring about, whether it is a romantic partner or a business partner, that person is trustworthy. Also with this card, I am getting a message that you are trustworthy. Trust yourself. Do not let go of yourself of this venture, because it is a successful venture right now. Though you might not see the result, but it is going to be a huge success. So please continue working on it and eventually you will see success. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you wish to book a personal reading with me, or if you wish to book distance energy healing with me, please message me and contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. All those who have selected pile number 3, let's begin with your reading. So the first card we have is adventure, courage, moment to moment, burden. So with these cards, I feel that there is a lot of adventure waiting for you. However, you need to have the courage to take part in that adventure and enjoy it to the fullest. With the moment to moment card, I feel that you need to enjoy each moment of your life and stop thinking about what if I do that or what if I did that, because as you take that leap of faith and enjoy this moment, you will exactly know where you will land. Do not live your life in regret or do not live your life in confusion, because as you take that leap of faith and have courage in your decisions, you will definitely see success. With the burden card over here, I feel that many of you are worried about quite a few things in life. However, let go of that worry. Take part in the adventure that life is offering you and work on it. Have the courage to take that first step. As you take that first step, the universe will start providing you more opportunities and steps that will lead you to success. Let go of all the worries, because worries will not lead you anywhere. Only when you have the courage and you take that first step towards something, you begin a new journey and you will be successful. The next card we have for you, pile number 3, is all is well. Again, see resonating cards and spread your wings. So like I was saying, remember you need to spread your wings and have courage, because eventually everything is going to be successful. Everything is going to turn out for your highest good. All is well. Wow. I really can't tell you how happy I am to see the messages right now. So let go of that burden, spread your wings, have courage, take part in the adventure, live life moment to moment, step by step, and remember that everything will eventually turn well for you. These are wonderful messages that you are receiving from angels, archangels, and your spirit guides, and really take that first step to let go of that burden. Whatever that burden may be, just remember that angels, archangels, and your spirit guides are always with you. They are always there for you. Whenever anything feels heavy, just call upon any of the angels, archangels, or spirit guides, or just call upon your guardian angels and ask them for their help and assistance with regards to any situation. Remember, angels are always there for your help. All they need is your ask. They cannot help you until and unless it is a life threatening situation without your permission, because free will is what the angels respect the most. So you need to call upon them and ask for their help and assistance to help you with any situation. They are really ready and happy to help you anytime, any moment of the day, because they are omnipresent and they can really help you with all the things in your life. Just call upon them and let go of this burden that you are just facing alone, because doing everything alone by yourself will take you nowhere. Call upon them and have the faith and courage that things will eventually turn out well for you. The next card we have is sunlight. So I strongly feel that some of you need to go out and take sunlight. Also with the sunlight card, I feel that going on a holiday is something that will help you clear out the clutter in your mind and help you get connected and closer to angels. Also, eating organic fruits and vegetables will help you increase your energy levels and positivity. The next two cards we have is from Archangel Michael, which says new beginnings and a fresh start and innocence. So with these two cards, I feel that be innocent, be childlike that you were, and have faith and confidence that universe is going to bless you with everything that you desire. Take a leap of faith and start afresh, because as you have faith in the divine, things will really work out for you. Angels are there for your help and assistance, and they want you to be innocent and not worry about anything and ask for their help and assistance. Also, if there is an opportunity provided to you for helping someone, please be of utmost use and help that person, that creature, that someone or something, because what you sow, so shall you reap, and there is ample opportunities available to you for such kindly acts. So please be innocent, please be open, please be humble and help people and creatures in need. Also, there is going to be huge success that is waiting for you. So the angels, archangels and spirit guides are asking you to trust the process, trust the steps, let go of the burden, spread your wings and enjoy your way to success. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like and share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you would like to book a personal reading with me or book a distance energy healing session with me, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. Bye bye.